How to set GPS coordinates on Sygic. Hello everybody. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can set GPS coordinates on Sygic. And once you're done watching this video, ensure you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and you recommend this video to your friends and family. So how do you go about it? The first step is to launch the Sygic app on your Android or iOS device. Then move to the bottom right corner where you can see the search icon. Click on that and you'll be brought to the search page where you'll be asked to enter in your destination. So yeah, the next step will be for you to type in the GPS coordinates in the desired format, which is degrees, then minutes, then seconds, degrees and decimal minutes or decimal degrees. And then once you've entered in the coordinates in here, you'll tap on get directions. You will choose the results from the search suggestions that has been displayed. All right, so you choose the correct results from the search suggestions. If it's a street or city, it display its name, and then after choosing that, you'll see the option get directions by the bottom part of the screen. So click on that, and by clicking on get directions, you'll be brought to the actual position that you have chosen, and you would also see your destination displayed here. So by this, you'll be able to view the route to the entered coordinates that you've entered in while looking for your location. So that is how it works. Okay, this is how you can set GPS coordinates on Sygic. So ensure that you have the coordinates ready. Then on the search page, in the search box, type in the coordinates in the order that you desire, then choose the results, click on get directions, and then you view the route to your entered coordinates. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.